Tyler's Easter basket.
John, where's your Easter basket?
Good job.
There's John's
Whoa.
Easter basket.
Hey, John, what's that?
What do you have, Tyler?
John, let's take your passy out of your mouth.
You have your passy so you can eat your candy appropriately.
John?
She's
John,
like going
straight for the good stuff.
John, what's that?
John, here's your shoes. Is that your Easter basket?
Tyler, he's going straight for the
Let's get your
kisses.
shoes on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, dropped your M&M's.
She knows exactly what Hershey Kisses are.
Uh-huh. Can you help her get him back in her basket? There.
Let's put him in here. Oh, that's good.
There's one. Now we're going to go find all the Easter eggs that the Easter bunny left. He left eggs all over the grass.
Whoa. I like this. Trust me.
Take out the grass.
You have to show her it's chocolate, maybe bite it in half.
See? It's chocolate.
She's too preoccupied with this really cool pink stuff.
Oh, no, it's between her and the chocolate.
John, what's in your basket?
We got M&M's.
We got candy.
Candy! Candy! Yay, candy!
Okay, time for the hunt.
Tyler's like, well, where are the rest of the... Go get eggs. Oh, okay.
Come on, let's go for the hunt.
Get all the Easter eggs. Put them in your basket.
Ty-Ty.
Put them in your basket. Put them in your basket.
Tyler, look.
Yeah, it's got candy in it.
Look at the egg.
Right.
For me?
There's an egg.
Go get some more.
Can you put the egg in the basket?
Tyler, John's got a head start on you.
You helping?